if you want to make more friends, and especially if you want to get better at approaching strangers, get a friendship wingman. Now, of course, if you don't have friends to start with, it's a bit of a catch-22. You got to find that friendship wingman first. But once you find him, it's going to be a lot easier. Now, listen, I still encourage you to go out there and meet people by yourself. It's going to put you even more out of your comfort zone, and I think that's very important. But if you're totally new to this and you would be more comfortable meeting new people with someone else, because it is going to make it easier, especially to approach groups of people when you're with someone as opposed to when you're by yourself, then you should totally get a friendship wingman and start with that, especially if it's someone who's also trying to be more social, make more friends, etc. Because that way it's not just going to be a wingman, it's going to be an accountability buddy, and you can grow together in your journey to making friends. Now, of course, how do you find a friendship wingman? Well, you do have to initially get out there. Like, you could just approach strangers anywhere, but if you really want to specifically find a friendship wingman, you have to be more intentional about it, more precise. So what I would do is I would maybe check out some local Facebook groups. You may think that people don't use Facebook anymore, but Facebook groups can be very useful. If not Facebook, you could try Reddit. Now, of course, maybe Reddit, it's just it's a certain type of people that uses Reddit, but Facebook groups, Reddit, you can even try apps, even Bumble, BFF. I've never really used it, but so many online resources. Check if there are any local WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Discord servers, things like that, and be like, hey, I'm looking for someone who's also trying to be more social, so we can go out and meet people together. I mean, it may feel weird, but just why not? You don't even have to specifically say that you're looking for someone who's also trying to be more social. Just say you want to, just whatever. It's not that complicated. So I think the concept of a I cannot speak, of a friendship wingman can be quite useful, even though you should also make friends by yourself, because I think that's very useful as well. If you want a free guide on how to make friends, I have a guide for that. If you sign up for my newsletter, there's a link for it below, friendshipnerd.beehive.com. And if you want to hire me for one-on-one coaching, you can book a free call. There's also a link for that. You'll have to fill out a form. It takes 1 minute, and then we can talk. All right, now go out there and make some friends. If you have any ideas, any thoughts about what I just said, drop a comment below. Press like, all that stuff. You know what to do. All right.